Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Jenkins on Rocky Linux 8.6. Jenkins is an open source automation tool written in Java with plugins built for continuous integration purpose and also used to build and test your software projects continuously, making it easy to developer to integrate changes to the project and making it easy for user to obtain a fresh build. First, I am going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install the Java package. Now check the Java version. This is Java 11.0.15. Now I am going to import the repository key for Jenkins. After importing the key, we need to enable the Jenkins repository on the system by using wget command. After that, install Jenkins. The installation of Jenkins is completed. Now I am going to enable the Jenkins service. Now I am going to start the Jenkins service. Now check the status of Jenkins. Jenkins is active. Now allow the port 8080 TCP on firewall. Now restart the firewall. Now reload the firewall. Now list the default zone of firewall. The port 8080 is added. Now I am going to check my IP address. The system IP address is 6.122. Go to the browser. Now here search your system IP address and the port number of Jenkins 8080. For unlock the Jenkins administrator password, we need to go this location. Copy this. Now go to the terminal. This is the administrator password of Jenkins. Copy this. Now go to the browser. Insert here. Let's continue. Save. We can customize our Jenkins. Install. We can select our plugins. Now create the first admin user. Here give your customized password. Confirm your password. Give the name. Give the mail ID. Save and continue. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Jenkins is ready to use. This is the welcome page of Jenkins. By this, the installation of Jenkins in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.